Hello, good morning. This is the speaking test level 1, organized by Impel IT, taking place on 8 February 2025. The candidate name is Sumaya Akhtar and the examiner is Imam Hussain. In this level, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your family. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What's your full name?
My full name is Sumaya Akhtar.
What should I call you?
You can call me Sumaya.
Okay, Sumaya. How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
What's your birthday?
My birthday is 14.
Where are you from?
I am from Jirua.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Anwar Hussain.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Habiba Akhtar.
What does she do?
She is a homemaker.
Okay. Do you love your parents?
Yes, I love my parents.
Okay. Who loves you most?
My father loves me most.
Okay. Tell 3 lines about this picture.
It is a tree. The color of the tree is green. It is tall.
Okay, good. Everyone please